Hey, so welcome to yet another video. I have decided to leave the house after 3 days of that's 4 days actually, 3 days of chilling in the house, just worrying about the future, considering it's New Year's Eve. So I have decided, instead of worrying too much, let me take myself out on a nice dinner date. I don't know if I should call it that. Yeah, so I'll bring you with me. I'm going to Gigiri Lion Villas. I think I got the name right. They have this new restaurant called Fifth Avenue restaurant, and I've seen photos and it looks very vibey. So let me bring you along with me. I hope it's fun. Bye bye. First time trying cordon bleu. That one.
For reference, in France, in French, it is said as cordon bleu, cordon bleu, but it'd be fine in English to say it as cordon bleu, cordon bleu from French, cordon bleu. And now you know it all. Did you get that?
Let's go. That's bad. In case you're wondering what's going on here, it's just me vibing to the music, eating, and people watching, because that's basically all I do in every time. This was me all stuffed up, and now it's time to stare at the sky because it was such a beautiful day. I am so full right now. Where? Why is my wires showing like that though? I was saying I am so full right now. Kitambi has grown. Thank God for big dresses. We pretend it's for modesty, but really it's for Kitambi. Anyway, I'm not done with my meal yet. I'm forcing myself because at this point it's too little to take home. But it was good. And I'm also so glad I came outside in spite of the laziness. Yeah, I feel so much better now. I feel like I can approach my New Year resolutions with a much more positive outlook. And I hope you can't hear the music at the back. But anyway, happy 2023. Like the balloons in the back are saying. Anyway, as I was saying, happy 2023. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. Anyway, I hope it's a happy one for you. I hope all the things you wish for come true in this year. So yeah, bye-bye for now. So these were the vibes by the poolside, just music at a distance, football for those who are watching, and then a few people, different people, like solo people, groups of friends, families, all that stuff. They're lighting up the trees and it looks really cute. So I was planning to leave, but then I saw this guy setting up their musical paraphernalia. I don't know what to call it. So I'm gonna wait and see what that's all about. I didn't expect music. Well, let's hope it's good. I was actually going to go to Village Cellar. Now I have decided to stay and see what that's all about. Apparently they're going to be doing some live music, and I love live music, so I'm gonna wait and see. It's getting mosquito-y out here in Chile, but I am full. I wish I had space for dessert because that would be the best thing to get right now. Hopefully it's not too good. I'm tempted to stay until late. But anyway, let's wait and see. Homo will have you doing things. I didn't even come equipped for a night, like staying later than 7, so it's getting quite chilly. But I'm kind of feeling chilly, but I'm waiting because Homo will finish me. Anyway, the pool looks beautiful right now, and I hope they start soon, because if they don't, I might just have to leave. Even for people with FOMO, patience eventually runs thin. And also, I'm just pretending. I just discovered it's not actually a live band, but rather it's a DJ who will be playing. So with that, I give up. So let's head home. As is always the case, curiosity led me to the Lion Villas themselves. So that's the lobby. I couldn't go past here for obvious reasons. But I have seen videos of the rooms, and they're quite nice. Each goes for 30,000 a night, I think. Yeah. So this is me now officially leaving the premises. Allow me to present you Madhara ya FOMO, aka Mtaka yote, ukosa yote. So basically, there was no musical performance like I told you towards the end of the video, of the last video, and I ended up leaving because there was really not much to wait for, and I was getting really cold. So now I am freezing, and also I couldn't make it to the village cellar because I figured they close at 8 according to alcohol whatever regulations. It's supposed to be closed by 8, so now that since I got to village market around 8:11, I figured let me just come home. Guess I'll make myself a cup of hot chocolate and maybe put some Baileys in it. That will be what we drink to 2023 with. Meanwhile, I apparently live next to, not apparently, they don't always make this much noise, but I think they're doing a Kesha for New Year's, so they've already started. Hope it doesn't get as noisier than it already is. It's not too noisy actually. It's like piano music, but I hope they don't start drumming and jumping all over the place, because that's gonna be problematic. In other news, I am also glad I didn't actually actualize my I didn't actualize my trip to, what is it called, Limuru. I wanted to go to waterfalls in camp overnight there, so I get to see all the fireworks from different parts of the city, because it has such a spectacular view of the city. But it's chilly in Ruaka, so I can't imagine how cold it is in Limuru. So we'll do that another time, because the main reason I didn't go was not even the cold, it's because I didn't have proper equipment, camping equipment for that, but that type of cold. So when I get equipped, I'll plan for it, because I really need to start camping this year. Yeah, so bye-bye. Oh, I'll see you at midnight. What have I done to my lens? I think I put some oil on it. Anyway, I'll see you at midnight. I'm really enjoying the display, but it looks like people have already crossed over and they're done with this ish. Keep the fireworks coming. Anyway, oh, that's a good one. Like there's thunder or something. Happy New Year. Do the guys are going crazy kuchini what? That was it for my little Vukamwaka thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. Bye bye.